and today what we're going to do is we are going to learn how to calibrate our Cricut machine to do print and cut.
So first we're going to click Design Space. Once we get into Design Space, we're going to then go just to under our names. When we get there, we're going to click Settings. In Settings, we're going to click Machines. Then we're going to go to Machine Calibration. We're going to choose your machine, Print then Cut. I already have the calibration sheet, so now we're going to just set it up onto the mat. Now you're just going to choose your machine, and now it's going to be ready to load onto the mat. So we're going to start off by loading the mat. Once the mat is loaded, the machine's going to start reading the registration lines that are around the bigger box. When it does that, it's then going to go to the center of the page, and we're going to be cutting the small square in the middle of the page. Now it's going to ask you if the cuts are within the lines. If yes, then you can move on to your fine calibration. For the fine calibration, your machine is going to start cutting every single line across, and then every single one of the tiny lines that are going down. So now you're going to look at the line and see which line is cut exactly on the line. So cross, you can clearly see that it is going to be on the number 11, and on the side, it's going to be I. Then you're going to reload the mat so that it can cut the bigger square on the calibration sheet. this is what it will look like when you start to peel the calibration sheet from your mat.
So now your machine is ready to print and cut. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, like and subscribe.